Shandong Oree Laser Technology Company Limited is a subsidiary of Hwin Group. It relies on the strong scientific and technological strengths of Hwin Group to rise rapidly in the laser industry, and it has won unanimous praise from consumers and peers. The company has more than 42,000 square meters factory area and over 300 technical employees. Shandong Oree Laser Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating with R&D, production, and sales. It has a modern enterprise technology center and a top research team. The high precision requirements of the machine make the finished product of the customer more perfect and accurate. Adopt international high-end brand parts to reduce abnormal wear of gears and improve the service life of machine tools. The company has obtained many certifications like CE, FDA, and ISO 9001. In addition, a number of design patent certification using the best accessories, the most reasonable assembly process, continuously improve the assembly strength of machine software and hardware to achieve the most efficient assembly efficiency, standardized production process, strict quality control system throughout the production process to ensure the quality of each product and ultimately enable customers to buy the most cost-effective products. We are committed to providing a full range of laser application solutions in 12 languages, 24 hours of service for the world's users. More than 60 agents provide global regional services, and more than 100 professional after-sales services provide global technical services. Oree laser equipment is widely used in medical, automotive parts, and many industrial processing fields. Oree laser products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions, covering a wide range, maintain a long-term cooperative relationship with more than 60 international agents. Oree laser provides users with the highest quality, the most complete service, and the most realistic user experience.
保证质量，做好服务，让业务放心，让客户满意。
Guarantee quality, do a good job, let the employee relieved, and make customers satisfied. Oree laser is guided by international advanced technology and it continues to innovate and develop. Shandong Oree Laser Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating with R&D, production, and sales. It has a modern enterprise technology center and a top research team. The products cover 3 categories: fiber laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, and a laser marking machine. Our products with warranty for 36 months and provide instructional installation services, equipment commissioning or operation training services, maintenance services, equipment parts replacement services, resolve any problems raised by customers timely. Now, laser the world with Oree.